Lada, stop! Look at the sky!
I'm scared. What is this? Can I take a look at this? Can we take him home?
Does he want to go? What did he say?
He said he wants to play first upstairs in my home.
Okay, let's go, Blodger.
Oh, Blodger, I'm so happy you're home with us. You look like an egg. Have you got something inside? I'm gonna check. Yeah, I was right. You got something. Blodger inside of... Blodger inside of... a Blodger. I love it. I love him. He's so soft and squishy. Squash, squash, squash. I have Watson and Crick. He has two heads. The eyes do look the same. No, they don't. One is down, one is up. One sad, one happy. The hair is not the same, but the arms are the same. It is. Oh, there's Mike. Happy to see Blodger. Oh, it's M.E.R.C. Love him. He's so cool, just like in the cartoon. He's so shiny. He's Robo Ostrich, Miles' best friend. But where's Miles? This is Miles. He has a laser ring. He has these boots. It's a blue suit. I really like him. Where's M.E.R.C? Let's race. Robot. Ouch. Just get me, robot. He knocked. Can he dance? Whoa. Again. It's a spider in the gun. It's again in the egg. I want to open it. Look, there he is. Spider web. Oh, so cute.
once again. Yeah!
Get it! The Kinder Egg! I wonder what's inside. It's a Neverland Pirates Egg, Disney Cars Egg, Mash'ems, and blind bag. Open the blind bag. With this. It says Sheriff, he got a gun and a wanted poster. I'm sure he's gonna catch that bad spider. What else we have inside the Blodger? It's shaped a Neverland Pirate with it. Chocolate Disney egg. Chocolate! It's like Sheriff Callie, the cat. And we got another Izzy. This chocolate's so good. It's from Tomorrowland, the whole family. It's Miles' sister, Miles, M.E.R.C, Miles' mom, Miles' dad, and Watson and Crick, the admirals. I can't wait to open it. It's a Star Wars. It's a Disney car egg. I hope it's a different car, but the same one. This is the Avengers Mash'ems. Let's open it. Another of these furries. I have two furries. Squish, 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 squish. Furry on top. Furry, look out. I'm always jumping from roofs. Oh, I can't look. Ready, steady, jump! Here's all out. This is M.E.R.C. Hi, M.E.R.C. This is M.E.R.C, the robot ostrich. No! This is Miles. He got the blast board and his lasering. This is Lada, Miles' sister. This is Watson and Crick. This is Leo, Miles' father. This is Phoebe, Miles' mom. Phoebe is a funny name. Phoebe. Everyone come here. The admirals are calling. Callistos, we have an important mission for you. There's a Star Wars Lego set. You need to build it. Let me check. Wow, it's a huge one. It's 75030. Let me check. Oh, this is Millennium Falcon. I think we can build it. Are you ready for the challenge, everybody? Yes. First, me just to open it. I squished for you it. Oh, there's so many. There's a little bit pieces, but that's okay. Ugh. Ew. Ew. It was hard. Who's gonna go do that cutting? Not me. Not her. I like to cut. So I'm gonna grab scissors. Maybe Mom, because I have one full hand. Okay, darling. I could use the plastic for my inventions. Hey, this one has 2 faces. Bad face, good face. Good face, bad face. Let's get building. You can help me. See, here's something to help. Here's a drill, see? Shh. 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 Wow. Wow, this is huge. Mission complete. Great job, Callistos. Crick. Cut. Crick. Thank you, Blodger. Thanks for coming. You got some gifts for me. Say hi to Miles from me.